Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at binary fission. We need a review because as I look at what a lot of people are doing is they're off to a good start, but they seem to lose a pattern or they don't completely understand how bacteria reproduce. So remember, with binary fission, okay, that's what we're talking about here. It's a form of asexual reproduction, okay, where this bacterial cell will make a copy of itself, a clone. So we always start with our initial bacterial cell, all right? So I'm going to use a time here to help represent this. So let's say this is at 9 o'clock, okay? This is at 9 o'clock. I have my one bacterial cell. It's just infected me. And this bacterium is going to reproduce every 20 minutes. So at 9:20, the reproductive cycle will be completed. So after 20 minutes have passed, this bacterial cell will reproduce. And remember, when bacteria reproduce, they double themselves. Okay, this bacteria will double everything that it has inside it, and it will split into two. So after 20 minutes, I now have two bacterium. I started with one, I now have two. If another 20-minute cycle passes, okay, at 9:40, I'm going to have four. Okay, because I had two cells, they both doubled. 2 times 2 makes 4. All right, so now I have my 4 bacterial cells right here. All right, here's my 4 bacterium. Again, another 20-minute cycle is going to pass. So from 9:40, 20 minutes goes by. That brings us to 10 o'clock. All right, I had 4 cells. If they each double, 4 times 2 gives me 8. So I'll have 2 from this guy, 2 from this guy, 2 from this guy, and 2 from this guy. So that now gives me 8 bacterial cells. And this process will continue to happen. So let's say I got to 10:20. I had these 8 bacterial cells. They reproduced. They each made 2. 8 times 2 gives me 16. And then I could continue the process. If those 16 cells doubled, 16 times 2 would give me 32. All right, so think about this question again and go back and double check your numbers.